Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart Little Bunnies. Today we're making some homemade, completely toxic-free Play-Doh that's safe for your little ones to play. So we've got our ingredients and we've got a pot, measuring cup, spatula, all-purpose flour, salt, vegetable oil, cream of tartar, and food coloring. For our first ingredient, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So we're measuring here with our spoon. Our next ingredient is salt. We need 1/2 cup of salt. Salt preserves the Play-Doh so it lasts for months, and it also makes it taste terrible, which discourages kids from eating it. Smart, right? Now the secret ingredient. 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. This is what makes our homemade Play-Doh superior to the store-bought ones. It gives our Play-Doh that wonderfully soft, elastic texture and prevents stickiness. You'll find this ingredient in the baking aisle. Our next ingredient is vegetable oil. This keeps our Play-Doh soft and pliable and prevents it from drying out. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, or even coconut oil. Just 1 teaspoon of this will do. Next, we've got water. We need 1 cup of water. This brings everything together and activates all our ingredients. Just use cold tap water. Now stir everything together really well until you don't see any dry flour or any lumps. Mix until it's smooth like pancake batter. Place your pot on the stove and turn the heat to low. This is important. Low heat prevents burning. We're going to cook this while we're stirring constantly until it transforms into a dough ball. Keep stirring constantly, don't walk away. The mixture will start thickening really quickly. See it going from liquid to paste. Keep stirring as it gets thicker. Scrape the bottom so nothing burns. Now it's pulling away from the sides. It's almost there. When it forms into a ball and pulls cleanly from the pot, it's ready. Carefully transfer this hot dough onto your counter. Be careful, it's really hot, don't touch it. Let it cool for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's warm, but not hot to touch. Look at this perfect Play-Doh. Feel how soft and smooth it is, not sticky at all. You could stop here with plain white Play-Doh, but let's make it colorful. Divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. You can eyeball it or use a scale if you want to be precise. 4 pieces ready for the color transformation. Flatten your first piece and make a well in the center. Add 2 drops of red food coloring, just 2 drops. Fold the dough and start kneading it. You'll see color streaks at first, then it becomes more uniform. Keep kneading and you'll get a beautiful red Play-Doh. An important note here is that if you add too much food coloring, it can make the consistency really sticky. So just be careful with this. So we're going to make yellow Play-Doh here too. So just repeat the steps that you took. So 2 drops and kneading it into the dough so it becomes a uniform yellow Play-Doh. Next, we're going to make the blue Play-Doh. So repeating the previous steps, we're going to drop 2 drops of blue food coloring and we're going to fold it and knead the color into it. We noticed that the yellow and the blue came out really well, and I think it really depends on the food coloring that you use. And finally, we're going to make the green Play-Doh. So just making a little well, dropping 2 green drops of food coloring into the center, folding the dough and kneading the color into it. Here's our final result. 4 gorgeous colors of homemade, non-toxic Play-Doh. Now for the best part, playtime. Kids can roll it, cut it, make shapes, mix colors, use the cookie cutters. The possibilities are endless. And you can feel great knowing it's completely safe and non-toxic. If you love this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun activities. Comment below and tell us what colors you're making. Thanks for joining us at Smart Little Bunnies. We hope to see you next time. Bye!